Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to archive emails in Outlook. So, is your inbox getting crowded? All right, and you're not just ready to delete your emails just yet. All right, so in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to archive emails in your Outlook web app. So you can just clean things up while still keeping important messages safe. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your browser and go to outlook.live.com, sign into your Microsoft account, and once you're done, let's locate the emails that we want to archive. So we have an email in your inbox. Hover over your mouse. I don't think I have a message in my inbox. I don't, but I have a message in my sent message. Yeah. So let's say you have a message in the inbox, however. So just hover your mouse over the email you want to archive, and you'll see check boxes appear on the left side. Check the boxes next to each mail you want to archive. But then just instead of doing that in, so so the checkbox here. So we have a checkbox. Now look for the archive icon at the top of the message list. It looks like a file box, and this is what it is. So just go ahead and click it once. Once you click on it, boom, the email will be archived instantly. Okay, so alternatively, you can right click the selected email or emails and choose archive from the context menu. All right, so I'm just going to deselect this and just right click, and you see it shows. So you don't need to use the checkbox. I hope you understand what that means. Okay, so, and that's how it works. So how do you find your archived emails? In the left hand menu, which is here, scroll down and click on the archive folder. And once you click on this, you're going to see all your archived emails. All your archived emails are stored here, safe and searchable anytime. Archiving moves emails out of your inbox or sent items without deleting them. So they stay searchable, readable, and fully intact, just in a different folder. It's perfect for decluttering while still keeping a record. Archiving does not remove attachments. It does not move emails to storage drive. It just relocates them inside Outlook. And archiving works best for regular Outlook accounts. Business or school accounts might have custom retention policies based on organization settings. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.